Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create a stunning slice text effect using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned designer, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. So let's dive right in. First, go to Text. Write Slice. Increase the size of the text. Select the font you want. I'm choosing Anton. Adjust the spacing of the text. Select your font color. Go to Elements. And write Shadow here. Go to Effects. Change the colors to white. Now adjust it. Now take a duplicate of this shadow. Now adjust it too. Next, click on the text and go to Effects. Follow these steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Now you have the skills to create your own slice text effect in Canva. Stay tuned for more tutorials coming your way. See you next time. Bye.